Hey everyone, Carl with Gordon Homes here again with your little handy dandy home tip today. So here in mid-Michigan, we have a lot of houses with basements. This is one of the more common problems that we see, and it's a really simple thing that you can manage to keep your basement good and dry. What you're seeing here is water damage, and this is not from a flooding basement or anything. This is from seepage from the foundation. This particular wall has a block foundation home, which are not waterproof like a lot of people think. And as we get a little closer here, you can see my pocket knife with just a little bit of effort just digs right in there like crazy. Super soft, super rotted. Like you could just flake away wood. So this has been here, oh there we go, good one, a long time. So the biggest thing you can do to manage this is make sure that your gutters and your downspouts get your water away from the foundation of your home at least 6 feet. Get that water so it doesn't run down to your foundation wall, because it's always going to find its way in. So this particular repair is going to cost into thousands and thousands of dollars. All this finished material has to come off. Whatever waterproofing treatment the professionals decide to do needs to come off. You know, we haven't even had any rain here in, gosh, probably a week and a half. But if I hit my moisture meter here, sorry about the shoddy camera work, but if I hit my moisture meter here in this area, turn that dude on, and it shoots right to 100%. It's completely saturated. So definitely an issue. So if you want to maintain the value of your house, you want to keep your walls dry, you want to keep your furniture dry, get your downspouts out away from your home, just like shown here in the picture. That's our prop tip for the day. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining us.